In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shadow to images using Canva. Shadows are a simple way to add depth. Make objects feel grounded and draw attention to key elements in your design. I'll walk you through the exact tools in Canva and show you how to fine-tune them so your results look clean and intentional. Start by opening your design and clicking the image you want to edit on your canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. If you have multiple layers, make sure you've picked the correct one so the right editing options appear. Next, head to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. In some older versions, this is labeled Edit Image. If you don't see it, double-check that your image is selected. This opens the editing panel on the side, where we'll find the shadow tools. Now scroll down to the Effects tab and look for the Shadows section. Canva groups several presets here to make getting started easy. Choose a style that fits your design. Glow adds a soft halo around the entire image. Great for cutouts or to separate a subject from a busy background. Drop creates a classic offset shadow to one side, which looks natural and works well for product shots or text elements. Backdrop simulates a cast shadow onto a surface behind the object. Perfect for giving a sense of space and direction to your lighting. After picking a style, click the controls icon for that shadow to customize it. Size adjusts how large the shadow appears relative to the image. Blur determines how soft or crisp the edge is. Our higher blur feels more natural and diffused, while lower blur looks sharp and graphic. Angle or direction sets where the light is coming from. Try to match it to any existing highlights in your design for realism. Distance, sometimes called offset, moves the shadow away from the image. Subtle distance can anchor objects, while a larger offset creates a more dramatic look. Transparency or intensity changes how dark the shadow appears. Dial it back if it looks too heavy. And color lets you move beyond pure black. A very dark tint of a brand color or a warm gray can blend more elegantly with your background. As you tweak, zoom out occasionally to judge the overall balance. If you are applying shadows to multiple images, reuse the same angle and similar settings for consistency. When you are happy with the result, you are done. Thanks for watching.